Children's Program Manager here at Falls Creek, and right now I'm riding the magical Pete's Train. Here at Falls Creek we have two children's programs. We've got the Snow Club, which is 3 to 6 year olds, and they learn to ski here starting in this magical tunnel, and they will actually go out to all the terrain depending on their abilities. Then we've also got the Junior Workshop program, which is our 7 to 14 year olds. That one is a full day program. It does include lunch, and it's for ski and snowboarders. Again, depending on the ability, they will ride wherever they're capable, and it's so much fun. During our children's programs, all of the kids will learn a range of different skills depending on their ability and what skills they're up to in their progression. It's really important that our kids are learning not just the basics of snow sports, but also the culture of the snow sports dynamics and all of the rules that are included in that Alpine Responsibility Code. So it's a whole program built around being a full snow enthusiast. A handy hint as well is we've got a brand new valet service this year for Snow Club. If you rent from Falls Creek Sports, we can actually get those skis up here to Snow Club for you, and they can be waiting when you arrive. It saves you having to trek around the village, carrying those and carrying them up the chairlift. Our team are passionate about getting your kids out on the slopes and enjoying every part of their holiday. It's really about fun, safety and learning here, so we really want to make sure that our kids are enjoying every aspect of it.